What's up, guys? It's Xander, and I'm punishing myself for not posting a video in about a week. So today, I'm going to be eating some different types of peppers and things. So, first of all, I got this red crushed pepper. And then I also have black peppercorn. This is going to burn my mouth so bad, along with chipotle chili pepper. Anyway, guys, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. If you guys are watching this, if I'm popular by then, if I'm not, that's still okay, but I'm going to try to hit 10 likes right now. But if I can get over that, that would be great. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I have a little spoon and a cup of water because my nanny used to punish my aunt and my mom by they used to take a spoonful of black pepper and put it in their mouth. So I think first of all what I'm going to do is start with the crushed red pepper. I do not recommend trying this at home because this is going to get very hot. Alright, so alright, oh, I dropped it, of course I did. Oh, hi, Marmalade. So, let's see. That's how much I'm going to be eating. Marmalade. Hi, buddy. Is this a good idea? Just sniff it, guys. Sniff it. My cat sniffed it. Oh, that is hot. That is good, though. That is good and hot. Now, people might disagree with me, but I like spicy things, so, oh my god, that gets really spicy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that gets really, really hot. I do not, right now, I'll be right back. I'm just going to get some paper towels. Yeah, this burns a lot. I do not recommend doing this. I think I'm gonna drink more water. Crushed red pepper. I didn't know pepper was this hot. I mean, hold on, let me check out the ingredients. There's cooked chicken in this. Look, right there, ingredients. Cooked chicken. Alright, but I think, Marmalade, take this. Good kitty. I think I'm gonna do. Oh no, I cannot do this one. I think I'm gonna say this one for last. I don't know. Like I said, I'm punishing myself for not posting a video about a week. Oh man, that burns. Okay, I'm gonna skip the video now till my mouth gets back to normal, and I'll see you. Right? Alright guys, I'm back. I think I got myself fully hydrated. I still don't want to do this. Just smell it. Marmalade. I was going to go try to get him to smell it. But it looks like I have to eat a couple of this stuff. I was originally going to do salt and things, but I said pepper's a lot hotter. It's a lot better. I don't want to do this one. I don't want to do it. Oh, God. It'll take me like 10 minutes to recover from that stuff, and I'm not taking 30 minutes to record a single video, so, no. But, anyway, marmalade, oh boy. I'm only going to do a little bit of this one. That was not bad. Tastes funny, though. Yeah, this one's definitely supposed to be in like some type of food. The problem is with this crushed red pepper is you're like, hey, not too bad, and then you're like, oh my god, it's burned so bad. That taste is going to be in my mouth all day. But I don't care because I'm doing it for you guys. Do I have to do this? It's just... Oh, this one's not that bad. It's just like plain black pepper. All right. Let's put the spoon down here. Then I'm going to shred it. All right. Yeah. And it's just my baby sister. Don't just ignore that. Marmalade, why are you going in the bathroom, you silly kitty? Alright. Dang it! I keep doing that. Alright, so I'm just going to shred some of this up. Alright. Right in here. Do I have to do this? Oh, got it. That one wasn't that bad, actually. It just... These tasted really weird. Another reason why I do not recommend doing this is because it tastes so bad. So bad, guys. And I would not survive without this water. Because you saw that. I did a full spoon of this stuff. When my friend just did... I did this full spoon. He would have done about half of this. And anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that subscribe button with your crushed peppers or black peppers or even chipotle peppers. And if you don't have any of those, smash it with your finger, smash it with your face, but don't break your nose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And, well, I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye!